was a movie involving our dear friend, the Coyote.
You mean Wile E. Coyote? He can't do anything right with those acting. He never catches that roadrunner. All seriousness, though, have you ever thought maybe the reason why Warner Bros. Canceled that movie? They say it was for a tax write-off, but have you ever thought that maybe the roadrunner had something to do with it? Maybe he's the one who canceled the movie to get back at Wile E. Coyote again? It's possible. Beep, beep. I am Wile E. Coyote, genius, as I fall off the cliff. Oh, God. All the means. Yes, it's a Michigan hat.